So let's point out the differences and similarities between the Cubot King Kong 9 and the King Kong Power. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dig into it. So while both devices have unique designs, they are both designed to be able to withstand harsh conditions and environments. The Cubot King Kong 9 has a rear display that you could customize, while the King Kong Power has a double LED glare flashlight. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K, meaning they're both resistant to water, dust, and high pressure water. Both devices flaunt a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, but the King Kong Power has a hole punch display, while the King Kong 9 has a teardrop display. And also, the refresh rate of the King Kong 9 is a lot higher. Its display refresh rate is 120 Hz, while the King Kong Power is stock at 60 Hz. So under the hood, the King Kong 9 is powered by the Helio G99, while the King Kong Power is powered by the MT8788V, a processor that is very identical to the Helio P60. So the King Kong 9 is a much more powerful device. The Helio G99 is far more efficient and powerful than the MT8788V. The King Kong 9 packs 12 GB RAM, while the King Kong Power utilizes 8 GB RAM. Both devices support virtual RAM expansion. The internal storage of both devices are the same, 256 GB, and both devices support ROM expansion up to 1 TB. Now in the camera department, both devices features a triple rear camera setup. The King Kong 9 has a 100MP primary sensor, 24MP night vision, and 5MP macro lens, while the King Kong Power has a 48MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision, and 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera of the King Kong 9 is 32MP, while that of the King Kong Power is 16MP. Obviously, in the camera department, the King Kong 9 is superior. Both devices are backed up by a 10,600 mAh battery, and they both support 33 watts fast charging, and both devices runs on the latest Android 13 operating system. Other features of both devices includes NFC. The King Kong 9 has Bluetooth 5.2, while the King Kong Power features Bluetooth 4.2, and both devices support dual 4G connectivity. So guys, obviously the King Kong 9 is a much more superior device. As you can see, it packs a bigger RAM, a much more powerful processor, a much more higher refresh rate display, and a much more better camera setup than the King Kong Power, while pretty much other specs of both devices are the same. So these are the differences and similarities between the King Kong Power and the King Kong 9. If you want to share anything about these two devices, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.